I too often at that age listened to what I thought people wanted me to do, right? And that set me back in terms of what I really wanted to do with my life.
It's a great line, decide who to be and go be it.
7 billion people are alive today, and we human beings torture and kill 2 billion sentient, living, loving animals every week. 2 billion a week. We stab and suffocate 1 billion ocean animals every 8 hours. 1 billion every 8 hours.
To me, it seems obvious. I don't want to cause pain to another living, empathetic creature. I don't want to take its babies away from it. I don't want to force it to be indoors and fattened up just to be slaughtered. It is absurd and barbaric, and I don't understand how you could witness that and not be affected by it.
Because today, and every day from today, is the right time to act. We can't just hope. We can't just dream. We can't just wish. We can't just have faith. We must act.
And I discovered that when we suffer as equals. And in their capacity to suffer, a dog is a pig, is a bear, is a boy.
Was to raise awareness for the voiceless victims of this planet.
The animals.
The animals. They cry in pain, they scream in terror, and when they do that, they're using their voice to tell us they're suffering. The problem is we're not listening because they have wings instead of arms. They have fur, they have scales. They're different species, so we don't take their suffering seriously.
But certainly it's also, the effect that it has on our environment is devastating. So for me, it's just, it's my life, and it has always been my life, and it's really one of the most important things to me.
It was fear that if I didn't do it, I would not be able to live with myself. Like I would look back on my life and say, I knew there was a problem, and I just didn't address it.
Doing nothing is not an option. Burying our heads in the sand is not an option. For without action, there will be no success. And now success does not mean that things will come easy. Success has a cost. That cost will be fightbacks and setbacks. But nobody said this was going to be easy. That was never part of the agreement. But that which is most worth achieving